So tell me that what did we learn in our last class? Who will tell? Just raise your hand. Yes, Amaya?
Articles.
Articles, very good. So how many types of articles are there?
Ma'am, two types. Three.
Please raise your hand and tell me, okay?
Ma'am and Maria.
Okay, Anne Maria?
And two types.
Two types. Catherine, tell me the two types of articles.
Definite article and indefinite article.
Yes, definite articles and indefinite articles. So, last class we have learned about the indefinite articles. Which is the indefinite articles?
A and an.
A and an. Okay. So, who will tell me now, when do we use a or an? Who will tell me when do we use a? Mayasa, tell me.
When we use in common.
When we speak, tell about something in common, we use a or an before. Yes or no? Okay.
Yes.
When do we use a and an with the sound or the alphabet?
Sound.
Sound. Yes, very good. Okay. So,
Ma'am,
yes,
I join now.
not an issue. We were revising the earlier class, like last class. Okay. So today we are going to learn about the definite article, which is the definite article. The. Okay. See, I'll share my board with you all. Give me a second. We use the definite article when we have to speak about something in particular. Okay, we have to speak something in particular. I'll give an example to you all.
The board.
The car, sorry. There is please do not write on the board. There is a car parked under a tree. Okay. When I'm telling about a car, we don't know which car. Okay. Which car is parked. So we are talking in comment the first time. This is the first time we're talking. So in comment, there is a car parked under the tree. When I have to tell again the second time about this car, I will say the car is red in color. Or the car is there since the morning. Like that I can say, okay? So this is the second time when I'm referring that already referred to. First time it is used here and second time we are using it. When we are using the noun, the second time we will use the article the. We will use the article the. Okay? We use the article the when we have to talk about something. 1 minute, okay? Like normally we use the article the when we are talking about plural nouns. You all know what is singular and plural, right? So when we are talking about plural nouns, we will use the article the. The boys are playing in the river. The ships are sailing in the sea. Like that, for plural nouns also, we will use the. Then we will use the third, when we talk about the group, but we use a singular noun. I am writing a sentence. The cow gives us milk. Here, am I talking about only one cow? Only one cow gives us milk, or the entire cows? Did you all understand my question? No?
Ma'am, when you say after that, it was stuck.
Okay, sorry. Yeah, the internet. Okay, wait. The internet connection was unstable. Wait. I'm asking, only one cow gives us milk, or all the cow?
All the cows. All the
Yes,
cows.
all the cows. So I can write like cows give us milk. Rather than writing cows, I'm using the article the. The cow gives us milk. Second example, the teacher teaches us. Okay, here am I talking about one teacher or all the teacher?
All the teachers.
All the teachers. Okay, so it's clear to everyone now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Give a minute. Just wait for a minute, okay? Please mute everyone. Okay. Amaya, can please read this first point?
The is a definite articles. The is used when we speak of a particular person or things or one already referred to.
Referred to. So here the is used when we are speaking about a particular thing or a noun. Okay. Then we use the when it is already referred to. I gave you an example on the board, earlier example, how it is connected. Okay. So this is a pen. The pen is in my hand. So I'm talking about the pen 2 times. Yes or no? Okay.
Yes,
Then ships are sailing in the sea means it's a plural noun. Yes or no? Ships are sailing in the sea. The ships.
yes, ma'am.
Adira Nair, please read the second point.
The is used when a singular noun represents a whole class.
Wait, okay? Wait. The is used when a singular noun represents a whole class. Okay, continue.
Example, the doctor frees the patients. The horse is a noble animal.
Very good. Here, please tell me whether there is only one doctor who is treating the patient or all the doctors are treating the patients. All. Only one horse is a noble animal or all the horses are noble animals? Yes. Now, I want Niharika, please read this point.
Ma'am, the third one.
Yes.
The is used before some proper noun, places, names.
Okay. Wait. The is used before proper nouns like names of places. Only with the names of places we will use the article the. With names of animals, names of things, names of person we will not use. Only with the places. Is that clear to all? Yes, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Yes, ma'am.
first one is ocean. First one are ocean and sea. So, give me some more example of ocean and sea. Yes, go ahead, Pratna.
Pacific Ocean.
Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the, we will use the sentence as the Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. The Arabian Sea is in the south of India. Okay, so we will use the before the sea and the ocean. Okay, then we will use before the rivers also. Catherine, can you tell me the names of some rivers other than Ganga and Yamuna? Who will tell me names of some rivers?
River Nile.
Yes, River Nile. Catherine, tell me some. I can't hear you.
Excuse me, ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, Catherine.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of noble?
Noble means the one who is very kind and helpful.
Thank you.
Have you seen like the horse hurting anybody anytime? No. That's why we call horse as a noble animal. Okay.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. So, the Ganga River is a holy river. Yes or no? The Ganga River, the Yamuna River flows in the east, like that, we can say. Then, deserts. The Thar Desert, the Sahara Desert. The Sahara Desert is the biggest desert, right? Then, mountain ranges like the Himalayas has too many rivers which are connected like that. Then Pranav, can you please read the Pranav? Sorry, can you read the fourth one?
The is used before the names of
Certain
books.
the,
Certain books. Example, the Ramayana,
yes,
the Vedas,
Vedas,
the Holy Bible, the Holy Quran.
yes. So we say the is used before the names of certain books. The Ramayana is a holy book of Hindus. The Vedas are read by many. The Holy Bible is read by the Christians, like that. Then the is used before names of things which are unique. Sorry. Shringa, please read the fifth one.
Ma'am,
Yes.
the is used before names of things which are unique of their kinds.
Yes. Wait. Yeah. The is used before the names of things which are unique. Unique means different of their kind. Like, continue.
The sun, the earth, the sea, the sky, the ocean.
Yes, the sun, the earth. The sun rises in the east. The earth revolves around the sun. The sky is blue. The ocean is very deep, like this. Okay. Shri Rugda, please read the sixth one.
The is used before
Superlatives,
superlative, which is the highest.
degree of quality. Okay, here. Okay, wait. This is a new thing for you all. Superlative degree. You all know what is adjective? Don't know what is adjective? Okay, what is the meaning of adjective? Who will tell me? What is an adjective? What does an adjective do, or what is an adjective? Yes, Mayasa?
An adjective is a word used before a noun.
An adjective is a word used before a noun. Very good. It tells us more about the noun. Like it tells the quality of the noun. I can say, Catherine has short hair. Which is the adjective over here? Short. Amaya is a tall girl.
Tall.
Arush is a smart boy.
Smart.
Vaishnav is a cute boy.
Cute.
Adidev is a strong boy.
Strong.
Okay, so now we have discussed these as adjective, yes or no?
Yes.
But in adjective, there are comparison. So now I just told what are the basic one. When I will have to tell about they are the best, means best in the group. So I will tell about the superlative degree. This I will teach you afterwards, superlative degree in D. But for article the, it is important to learn little bit about superlative degree. Superlative degree always, mostly it ends with the word est. It ends with the word, okay. Now I can say the word sentence as Adidev MB is the strongest boy in the class. So which is the word? Strongest. Did you see I made strong to strongest? Catherine has the shortest hair. You see again I made est. Then who was the other one? Example names.
Arush.
Arush was Arush is the smartest boy in the class. Then which are then Ameya is the cutest girl. Now you have understood? So words like shortest, kindest, tallest, smallest, cutest. Before those,
Picture to show.
Anne Maria, when we are learning, we will just learn. Then we will see your picture, okay? Then consider this is very important, Anne Maria. So whenever we have to speak about the superlative degree, we will use the. I said you, just now I told you, the word which will be ending with the est. Okay, please remember the word ending with est. Okay. Then sometimes when the word, we have a word like most, M-O-S-T. In before that also we will add the word, which is the word. Understood everyone?
Yes.
I can say some words we cannot change it, add est. So I can say Adira is the most beautiful girl. Okay, the most. Mayasa is the intelligent girl. I cannot make the intelligentest. Can I make the intelligentest? No. I cannot make the beautifulest. No. So we will add most. In this scenario, we will use the in front. Okay? Understood this superlative? Okay? You don't have to learn more about superlative now. You just have to remember the word with est or most. Most will be a different word. You all know what is most, most, right? If you have a sentence with most, in front of most, you will add the. Okay, everyone? Okay. Then, do you know what is ordinals or Roman numbers? Who knows what is ordinals or Roman numbers? Roman numbers, did you all study in mathematics? Yes, Arush, tell me what are Roman numbers?
Roman numbers are numbers which look like letters but are not.
Okay, did you learn how to pronounce these Roman numbers?
Ma'am.
No? Okay. Did you hear like first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th? Yes. Yes. So these are called Roman numbers or ordinals. What are these? These Roman numbers or ordinals shows us the position where something or someone is. Understood? In a numerical way. You can say, ma'am, I can tell like the sun is in the sky. No, in numerical way we want. It should be in numerical way. Do not forget. Advaita Sanish scored the first rank in the class. Advaita Sanesh scored the first rank in the class. So now which is the Roman number here?
First.
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 Before first, we will use the. Okay. Then Yuven is sitting on the last chair. Yuven is sitting on the last chair. Last. Achyut got third position in the running race.
Third.
The third. Okay. The third. Do not forget to use the article the. Definite article the. Okay. Then we use with the musical instrument. You all know what is musical instruments?
Yes.
With musical instruments. Shribhadra, please tell me the names of musical instruments.
Drum.
Yes. So
Yeah.
don't say drum. You said the drum.
The drum.
Okay, go ahead.
The piano.
Very good.
The flute.
Very good. Good. So you all know what are musical instruments. So whenever we have to speak about the musical instrument, we use the article the. Okay, everyone? Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Achyut, please get ready for reading. Read, Achyut. Yes.
The is used before superlatives, which is the highest degree of
Highest phase of healthy.
1 minute. Who is reading?
Advaita.
Advaita, why are you reading? Continue. Achyut, please start once again.
Yes, ma'am. The is used before superlatives, which is the highest degree of quality. Example, this is the best book in the library. Keshav is the strongest man in the group.
Okay. So the is used before the superlative, which is the highest. Can you see? EST word. I have used the. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
This is the best book in the library. Keshav is the strongest man in the group. Arjun, please read 7th one.
The is used with ordinals. Ordinals show the position of anything like first, fourth, 10th.
Continue.
Example, Ria scored the first rank in the class. The 5th chapter is very interesting.
Yes, Diya secured the first rank. The 5th chapter. Niharika, did you read?
Yes, ma'am.
Atharva, read then.
The is used before musical instruments. Example, she plays the guitar. Mohan can play the violin.
The guitar and the violin. Okay? Understood, everyone?
Yes.
I'll show you a video to revise what did we study. Okay? Just give me a minute. Did you revise now?
Yes. Yes.
Okay? So we will do the exercises next class. Okay?
Next class.